because of the noise it made, that V10 sound was spine tingling, and you don't get that from electric cars.
Going back to Victoria Park, JP's driving. Ba 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 ba! Oh my god. Fuck yes! We're back on our race car grounds. How good is that, dude? I mean, you just don't get to do that stuff, and to do it here, I can't see myself. I'm looking mighty black, but that is unbelievable. It's such a buzz, and everyone's into it. It's so cool, like so cool. That's what you get in Adelaide. That's what you get, Tim Possingham. Well done, mate. That was the coolest thing ever. We just went in the LFA. Back from the street parade, the crowd was nuts. I've never done something so cool in my life. Thanks to JP. Fuck man, it's Friday. I didn't think I'd be jumping in the freaking car going back. The crowd was nuts. That car's nuts. He was just downshifting like a motherfucker, but such a cool experience. And that thing's a monster. People seem to have a big affection to LFAs, so I'm speechless, man. I'm speechless.